Hello friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today I'm going to show how to make special graduation card using cutting machine. It's ready to make project and you can find it in Cricut project library. This project is great for beginners. It provides step-by-step instructions and all the design elements you need. There are many different postcards in the Cricut library for any occasions. For your convenience, you can find the direct link to the project in my description. This is how our graduation card looks like in Cricut. If you wish, you can change the colors to match with your college colors. As usual, your project will be divided into different mats by colors. Now let's talk about materials. I usually use cardstock from Michael's store and also love to use basil cardstock because it has texture. For envelope, I usually choose this printed cardstock for scrapbooking. For this project, I use the Cricut scoring stylus, which will help to make the folds. Then embossing machine to make additional texture. And also I use barely art glue. For me it's the best glue for paper crafting. Once you have cut out all the pieces, it's time to start assembling the card. Here you can see all our details. I decided to start with the front part. We fold the base of the card along the score lines. Take our glue and apply it. I absolutely love barely art glue. Highly recommend for all paper crafting. Here I want to use embossing folder to add texture to the jacket. And it's my Sizzix embossing machine. And look after transformation. You can see here how basil cardstock looks stunning. We continue our assembly. I will use double foam tape to attach the graduation cap. We finish our card, and our last step, we assemble the envelope. Here we go, our stunning card is ready to impress. We have created a personalized card which will help capture this memorable moment. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it thumbs up and share it. Thank you for watching and happy crafting!